state.
In a show of unity with Manipur and in protest against the silence of the central government on the pressing issues in the state, Meghalaya, along with other northeastern states, actively participated in a sit-in demonstration. The call for action was organized by the Northeast Students Organization Neso at Fire Brigade Ground in Shillong. Samuel Jirwa, chairman of Neso, led the protest in the presence of various NGOs, students' union and concerned citizens. Jirwa emphasized that the organization has repeatedly urged the central government to address the Manipur issue promptly through various demonstrations. Yet the government has turned a blind eye and a deaf ear to their pleas.
The government of India should take the initiative to bring about a permanent peace in the state of Manipur. They should call all the parties to the negotiating table and start a dialogue so that an early solution which is agreeable to all the stakeholders of the state of Manipur can be reached so that peace can once again prevail in the state of Manipur. And if the government of India still delays to take the initiative, it only proves that the government of India is not interested in the welfare of the indigenous peoples of the Northeast in general and the indigenous peoples of Manipur in particular, but it's only interested in its land and its resources. And this will only further alienate the indigenous peoples of the Northeast from the mainland of India.
Encouraging the startup entrepreneurship of the state, the Minister